did a great job with your system here, honey.
Cool.
Yeah, perfect. We can record it. We're going to do it anyways. Might as well record it.
Yeah, exactly.
Tell me if I need to go to stay out this far or go closer.
We're in 2.1 meters of water. There's nothing here though.
No structures? No. You can see it.
Are you happy to?
I'm fine.
Whoa. Okay. Fish. We're going 3 kilometers an hour.
Yeah, that was where we realized going slower was better, hey?
Yeah.
For trolling.
See if I do a casual help. That takes us to 4. Those might be fishes. But they're not showing up on here, so...
Are they supposed to show up on the other side, the right side?
It'll be yellow in the center, right? Because it's picking up more dense mass.
Yeah.
Or the air bladder.
Air bladder. Right.
Okay, I need to stop pedaling here. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I need to tie some new line on here. I was going to find a place to put these right there. Work? Yeah, that'll work.
Everything, like having the cart behind me, like everything's really nicely done, honey.
We good?
Yeah. Wonderful.
Quality of life improvement, you know?
Mm-hmm. So this isn't a fishing show per se, right? So I'm not like,
no.
This is just...
There's something exciting as it happens. Adventure. Because I'm not very good.
Oh, fish on. Could take a picture of you now.
Now's the time you want to start the camera, right? Ooh, that's a nice one.
Okay, second. Just wait. I have my phone.
Oh, the 360. Is it going?
Yeah, but I'll get it. Honey, that's the biggest so far.
I even got a net. Okay, net not locked. Come here, mate. Yeah, that's a good one.
Nice.
For the net. Landed himself nearly. I don't really want him to do that.
Right here. He's resigned.
Yeah, but I might lose him now because it's in his gills.
You need me to hold?
There we go, you're in there.
Nice.
Landed. Well, everybody's caught up in the net, so. Oh, there he goes. Didn't get a measure.
That was nice size. Within 10 minutes of being out here. Ish. 15.